Keema Samosas. I have already shared my Keema Samosas recipe before, but this recipe is in small quantity. From this recipe you will able to make about 50 samosas. Let's make it. Bismillah. 1 pound of ground meat, beef, lamb, or goat, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon minced garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger. Mix and add about 1 cup of water. Cook on medium heat and dry out all the water. Let it cool down completely. At this point you can freeze it as well, and whenever you want to make samosas, defrost it and follow the next steps in the recipe. Now add these ingredients to cooked ground meat. 2 cups of chopped onions, few chopped green chilies, handful of chopped cilantro, handful of chopped mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon citric acid, optional. Adjust the salt and spices according to your preference. Mix well and set aside. 2 tablespoons of flour. Add little bit of water. Mix and make a thin paste. Spring roll sheets or samosa sheets as needed. This is how I fold samosas. I am sharing 2 methods of folding. You can fold it however you prefer. You will able to make about 50 samosas out of this recipe. You can freeze it in airtight container or bag. Deep fry or air fry samosas. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share, comment below, and subscribe for upcoming videos. Serve with chutney of your choice. Enjoy. Note down the ingredients. Thanks for watching.